Have you ever wondered why some men effortlessly attract women without even trying? It's not just about looks or money. It's about a powerful presence, unshakable confidence, and a mindset that commands respect. The secret? Their mentality and habits. According to Stoic philosophy, true attraction doesn't come from flashy looks, but from self-control, confidence, and a strong mindset. If you want women to be drawn to you effortlessly, you must master your energy and behavior. Today, I'll reveal 7 powerful Stoic habits that will make you more attractive, dominant, and self-reliant. Let's get started. Don't attach too soon, or you'll lose the game. This is the biggest mistake many men make. You meet a girl, start talking, and suddenly you're waiting for her texts, thinking about her all day, and making her the center of your life. That's where you go wrong. Stoic philosophy teaches that getting too attached weakens you. Women are drawn to men who aren't needy but are focused on their own lives. When you show attachment too soon, she stops seeing you as a challenge. The real alpha stays on his mission, values himself, and never chases. Love yourself first. Stay busy with your own life and never change who you are for someone else. Control your energy. Don't be desperate. If you think chasing every woman will make you more attractive, you're making a huge mistake. Women prefer men who control their emotions and energy. Stoic wisdom says a man should master his desires instead of being ruled by them. When you constantly seek validation, overtext, or give unnecessary attention, you seem desperate. But when you're calm, independent, and focused, you naturally become more attractive. Focus your energy on what truly matters, your goals, health, and vision, and women will be drawn to you. Be mysterious. Predictability is boring. If you reveal everything about yourself too soon, you make yourself less interesting. Women are more attracted to men who keep some mystery about them. Stoic philosophy teaches to speak less, observe more, and not expose everything about yourself. When someone knows everything about you, there's nothing left to discover. But when you keep a little mystery, you become more intriguing and exciting. People are always curious about what they don't fully understand. Emotional control equals alpha energy. If you get angry over small things, panic in tough situations, or let your emotions control you, you appear weak, and women are never attracted to weak men. Stoicism teaches that real strength comes from inner stability. If a girl tests you, ignores your texts, or challenges you, and you react emotionally, she will lose respect for you. But if you stay calm, composed, and in control, you immediately become more attractive and dominant. Prioritize your mission. Women will follow. If your life revolves around impressing women, waiting for their texts, or adjusting to their moods, you lower your value. Women don't chase needy men. According to Stoicism, a man's greatest power is his purpose, not a woman. When you dedicate yourself to a bigger goal, whether it's your career, fitness, or personal growth, your energy naturally becomes magnetic. Remember, alpha men walk their own path, and the right people follow. If you're always available, you'll lose value. If you're always free, instantly reply to texts and drop everything for someone else, you make yourself less valuable. Stoic philosophy teaches that your time and presence should be earned, not given freely. The less you expose yourself, the more people desire you. Women are drawn to men who have their own life, stay busy, and aren't easily accessible. Remember, the easier something is to get, the less valuable it becomes. Master your body language. Without saying a word, your body language speaks louder than words. If you move nervously, avoid eye contact, or constantly shift positions, you look weak and insecure. Stoic men are calm, grounded, and confident. They walk slowly, stand tall, and make strong eye contact. Master your body language, and you'll attract respect without saying a single word. These 7 Stoic habits will make you more attractive, dominant, and self-reliant. Remember, women aren't just attracted to looks, but to confidence, self-control, and a strong mindset. Now, it's your turn. Which habit do you think is the most important? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this.